What is up, XRP community? Welcome back to another action-packed video. Make sure you join the free Telegram chat group. In the future, it'll cost money, but it's free right now. So if you like talking about crypto, the link's in the video description below. And I give away $10 in XRP every single video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment anything in the YouTube comments to be picked for the giveaway. Let's hop right into it. So here's a chart of the DXY, the dollar index. And I want to show you on the monthly time frame this big rally the DXY had in the past 2021 to 2022, halfway through the year. Now, in the past year and a half, how has crypto done? Not too hot. And typically when the DXY, when the dollar raises like this, crypto cools off. Now, what you can see in the first quarter, the past 3 months, we've seen a cooling off on the DXY. And this is a chart we're going to want to keep our eye on because typically when the dollar cools off, we do see a run on Bitcoin. And today is Sunday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. It's a big day for Bitcoin. It's closing its weekly candle here in about 6 hours. And the crucial level that it needs to pass is 21K. You see Bitcoin this week had a massive rally and it's just stuck at this 21K level. If Bitcoin today can close above 21,000, I think it's short-term bullish, but like I've been saying in a lot of videos, I think there's more bloodshed to come. I do think you see new lower lows on Bitcoin. They say 11K and pray, because if Bitcoin breaks 11K, who knows where it could go. But I'm still calling for 11K Bitcoin. I'm just seeing a short-term relief here in the markets. The price can't go down forever, so it's normal to have these bounces, but we could see potentially 30K Bitcoin if we get a nice weekly close this evening. And this was breaking news for the crypto space. BlackRock adds Bitcoin to their $15 trillion global allocation fund. BlackRock is the largest hedge fund in the world. They control $10 to $15 trillion, and that's why people call BlackRock the fourth arm of the US government. They have allegedly added Bitcoin, the world's largest digital currency by market cap, to their global allocation fund as the world's biggest investment firm with over $10 trillion in assets. Look at what these big bankers and smart money investors are doing when the news and the mainstream media is telling you crypto is dead. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. And $10 trillion is a lot of numbers. We saw this just the other day. The SEC is charging crypto firm Gemini and Genesis for the sale of unregistered securities. Barry Silbert, head of Digital Currency Group, came out and said, I've been reflecting quite a bit about the past year. Here is an update to address those reflections, other developments, and some speculation about Digital Currency Group. Jeremy Hogan, the lawyer, speaks up on the lawsuit. He says, I read the SEC lawsuit against Gemini and Genesis briefly, and I didn't see any argument that the digital assets themselves are securities. Only the notes were utilized, and so were subject to SEC registration. This is not the crypto exchange lawsuit I expected. So an interesting take here from legal attorney Jeremy Hogan. This could mean potentially the Ripple lawsuit is coming to an end, and the SEC is looking to target other organizations in the crypto space that they might have a better chance against. And a great clip here from digital asset investor John Deaton talking to the XRP community, giving you guys some great words, bits of knowledge. And if you guys want to support my channel, I really would appreciate it. Just smash the like button. Thank you in advance.
The FTX case, when did the SEC get involved? They filed a lawsuit against FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried on behalf of 30 venture capitalists. So who are they protecting? They're protecting those VCs who risk money all the time as a part of their business model. They didn't file a case on behalf of the retail customer of FTX. And so they have completely abandoned the individual investor. They've abandoned accredited investors. You go back to when he was the chairman of the CFTC, MF Global happened under his watch. And what was his excuse? His excuse, Ray, was that he couldn't figure out how to access his work email from home. So I just want people to think about this.
This is Gary Gensler who said that.
Yes, Gary Gensler testified at Congress, right, that when this was all happening, he couldn't access his email. Ray, he's considered a child prodigy, and he was considered, no, not considered, he was the youngest partner in the history of Goldman Sachs. The guy is a smart guy. Everybody says his problem is that he's always the smartest guy in the room, right? But this child prodigy, the youngest partner in the history of Goldman Sachs, couldn't figure out his work email. And that's why, blah, blah, blah. So you know that his integrity and his credibility are questionable at best. But let's just look at competency. Forget corruption. Competence. He's incompetent. All this has happened under his watch. He should go. In 2018, and it's on the Crypto Law website, there's a video of Gary Gensler while he was at MIT, and he states on stage in 2018, April 2018, that the crypto market needs clarity. Those are his words. He even said, Ray, that Ripple, the company Ripple and Ethereum deserve clarity, and they need it. Now, that was 2018 when he was not chairman. We fast forward to today. He's chairman of the SEC, and he can do something about it, right? And what is his position? His position is that it's always been crystal clear and that he's not going to create new rules. He's not going to change any laws or provide any more guidance, that the Howey case from 1946 and all the other things, case law, is enough clarity, and that these companies need to come in and register. He won't give guidance. So clearly, capital formation, let's ask this. In the BlockFi bankruptcy, Ray, do you know who the number 2 largest creditor is?
I do not, John. Who is it?
It's the SEC.
Wow.
All right, because there was $100 million settlement, remember, between BlockFi and Gary Gensler's SEC. BlockFi had paid 70 million of it. There's still 30 million owed to the SEC. So BlockFi's bankruptcy, our SEC is the second largest creditor that is above customer deposits.
The SEC, the organization that's supposed to protect investors, is above customer deposits as the second largest creditor for the BlockFi bankruptcy. Like I said earlier, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. They're ahead of the customers, and their whole job is to protect customers. Absolutely despicable. It's crazy Gary still has his job. The DOJ is preparing criminal indictments against Binance. Nexo was raided. Nexo is a crypto exchange just a few days ago by 300 police officers this morning. Gemini and Genesis were sued by the SEC a few minutes ago, and people are celebrating a pump for ants. Guys, XRP and Ripple are in this lawsuit, but the positive thing to come out of that is they will be the first cryptocurrency with regulatory clarity, and that will be massive. Ripple has been sued by the SEC for 2+ years, and they still haven't found anything. Imagine the dirt they find with any other crypto company. This is why I still hold XRP strong. Nicely said, and like I was just mentioning, the first crypto asset with regulatory clarity will be absolutely massive. If you guys want $40 guaranteed, sign up with Webull, deposit a penny, and you can get $40 up to $15,000 of free stocks. Typically, you'll just get $40 to $300, but it's a great offer for just signing up, depositing a penny, boom, get your guaranteed $40 of free stocks, sell the stocks, keep them, buy XRP, close your account, do whatever you want, but don't miss out on this great offer. Link to Webull's in the video description below. God bless you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families.